children. Today we will start exercise 6.2. First question, the marks obtained by Geeta in the monthly test exam in mathematics for 6 months are as follows. Month is given July, August, September, October, November, December. Marks obtained out of 100. Out of 100, 40, 45, 65, 35, 55, 60. Construct a pie chart with the help of above table. How to construct a pie chart? For pie chart, you have to make a column of 3. That is months, marks obtained out of 100, angle at the center. Month, July, August, September, October, November, December, then 40, 45, 65, 35, 55, 60. Now how to find angle at the center? You add 40, 45, 65, 35, 55, 60. That total is 300. That total is 300. Now how to find angle at the center? What is the first? That is 40 into. What is a circle out? What is the total of the circle? That is 360. Whole upon. What is the total? 300. You cancel. Then 12 fours are 48 degree. Is it clear? The same for the second. 45 into 360 upon 300. It is 54. Now the second. Third. 65 into 360 upon 300. That is 78. Now the next October, that is 35 into 360 upon 300. You will get 42 degree. You have to cancel it. You know how to cancel. I have shown you the first one. Now the November, 55 into 360 upon 300. If you solve, you will get 66. And the last one is 60 into 360 upon 300. If you solve, it will get 72. If you add this to all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will get 360 degree. You will get 360 degree. Now how to draw a pie chart? I am showing you a pie chart. First, draw a line and take the center as O. Now what was the first angle? First angle is 48. Take a protractor and put it and draw an angle of 48. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then draw a line. Which month we have drawn? This is month of July. And write over here 48 degree. After 48, what is the angle? That is 54. Again place this pointer at 0 and see that this line is over here. Now 54. That is 50 and 4. That is 54. You write over here 54 degree. That is which month? That is August. After August, September, how much degree? That is 78. You place the point 0 at the center and this 0 at the August line. Now for the August, then September it is 78. 75, 6, 7, 8. This is 78. Draw this line and you write over here 78 and this is September. After September, October is of 42 degree. Again place the 0 at the center and see this 0 over this line. Now what is the angle? That is 48. This is from here you have to count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 and join with 0 and write 48 degree. That is month of October. After October, that is November. November is of 66 degree. Now place again at 0. Now how much? 66. November. That is 60. This 5 and 1 more. That is 66. This is 66 degree. This is the month of November. Then December, what was the last? It was 72. No need of drawing. you can see over here, you place it and you count. It is coming 72. That is the pie chart. You take your rounder, you place it and take one of the radius and draw a circle. This is a pie chart of the marks obtained by a student, Geeta. Is it clear? Now question number 2. The monthly income of a family is rupees 12,000. The expenditure of the family in the month is as follows. Make a pie chart of the following data. We have to make a pie chart. Again, the same method we have to follow. Household rent, house rent it is given, food it is written, education expense it is given, entertainment expense it is given, health expense it is given. It is given in rupees. These rupees we have to change into degree. How? We have to make a table. The question item is given, expenditure in rupees it is given. We have to find the angle at the center. You plus the expenditure. In this question, you have to plus the expenditure. What is coming? It is 12,000. Now how to find at the center? What is the first house rent? That is 1500 into what is the total degree of a circle? That is 360 upon 12,000. You cancel this 1 2 3 0, 1 2 3 0. Then 12 1s are 12, 12 3 ja 36, 15 into 3, that is 45 degree. Is it clear how you got 45 degree? Now you cancel with the next one, that is 6,000 into 360 upon 12,000. If you cancel, we'll get 180 degree. The third education, that is 1200 into 360 upon 12,000. You will get 36 degree. The next, that is entertainment, 1800 into 360 upon 12,000. If you do, you will get 54 degree. The last health, that is 1500 into 360 upon 12,000. If you cancel, you will get 45 degree. Now according to this degree, you have to draw a pie chart. How? See, first draw a line of any radius, that is up to you, of any radius. Now what is the first degree? That is 45 degree. You draw a degree of 45. You write over here 45 degree. What it is? House rent. After 45, that is 180. After 45, that is 180. That means you have to draw a straight line from here till here. That is the second one, that is food. You are paying for food, that is 180. 180 degree you have drawn. You write over here 180 degree, that is food. After food, that is 36 degree, that is education. You put your protector at the 0, coincided, and see 36, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 35 and one more degree, that is 36 degree. You write over here 36 degree, that is education, EDUCATION. You write the education. Now after that, after education, what is the next? That is 54, that is entertainment. You put again the rounder at the 0 and see that this 0 lies over this point. Now from here you count 54 degree. This is 50 and 4, that is 54 degree. You write over here 54 degree, that is 54 degree is of entertainment. You write over here entertainment. After entertainment, what is left? That is 45 degree, that is health. Now you take your rounder, put the rounder at the center and any radius you take and draw a circle. Now if any radius is small, you extend that line and touch to the circumference. If anywhere you touch to the circumference, this is the pie chart. This is the pie chart of solution number 2. Is it clear the pie chart how to draw?